Welcome to Draw at Home with Tupperberry Art. I'm Miss Kimberly, and this St. Patrick's Day, we're going to draw the lucky 4-leaf clover. First thing I want you to do is a dot in the middle of the page. All our shapes are going to come from there, and you're going to think about hearts. We're going to draw 4 hearts, and that bottom point will all meet in the middle at the dot you drew. So as you continue to draw a heart around, you can leave a little space in between them, and you can turn your paper to make it easy for you to look at. Once you have all 4 hearts drawn in, it is time to draw the stem. So, with a line coming down, notice the line beside it is narrow at the top and gets wider towards the bottom. Give a little curved line at the bottom, and we have ourselves a stem. We need to pull this clover together. So now I'm going to retrace and come around my hearts and connect them, but I'm not going to come all the way down towards the middle. Once you've done that, come back into the middle and erase the lines you don't need. You can skip this part, or for fun, give this clover a happy face. So by starting with the eyes, we'll do 2 ovals. And inside those ovals, you're going to do 2 more smaller ovals. And then inside those, 1 more little circle at the top that you're going to leave white. So you color the rest in, but you have that part set out so it can be the little white reflection in the eye. Just for fun and to add expression, I added eyebrows going upwards and a couple little lines on each side for eyelashes. And now the mouth. We have a curved line and a larger curved line underneath, so it looks like a crescent moon. And then once you color it in, we have a very lucky, happy clover who is ready to get colored. So for super fun shading, I want you to find 2 or 3 shades of green, and then anything closest to the sunshine is going to get the lightest shade. So we're going to start by coloring the lightest green. So watch what I do here. I'm going to go around the clover, even put a little bit on the middle part, but anything that is closest to my little sunshine guy over here, I'm going to color that in. Now get your dark color green, your darkest color, and on the opposite side of the light, fill that in. If you don't have a middle color, you can fill the whole thing in so the 2 colors touch. But if you've got a light color, a medium color, just wait for that one. So just fill in the dark for now, and then we're going to blend them all together, coloring on top of each other. Now it's time for the middle shade, the medium shade. So fill in all those white gaps. Remember to color on top of the other colors so they blend together. We want to have nice smooth coloring, so remember to blend those colors on top of each other. I'm even adding little hints of yellow in the light green. I've got this nice smooth, completely colored in, and you're not letting that paper show through. And now you have an adorable 4-leaf clover. So thank you so much for doing another Draw at Home video with Tupperberry Art. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and come back and do another video with me.